Hi everyone, this is my 10-minute tiramisu and I'm going to show you how to make it today. Alright, to get started, in here I've got 250 grams of mascarpone cheese and I've just drained the water off. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of icing sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to mix this together now until it's nice and soft. I'm going to add in 200 ml of double cream. We're going to mix this together now until it thickens up. Just be careful not to overmix. And that's perfect. Great, we're going to set this to one side now. I've already prepared my sponge fingers. I've put them into a dish and this is 9 by 9 and I've got 18 on the bottom. I've made up my coffee and I've used about 2 teaspoons of instant coffee to 350 ml of hot water and then I let it cool down. I know many of you like to dip your sponge fingers, but I just find it's very hard to know how long to dip them for because you don't want them to fall apart either. So what I do is I add 2 teaspoons of my coffee to each of the biscuits. It does take a little bit of extra time, but at least you know that the sponge fingers will be perfect. I did include coffee liqueur in this recipe, but I will include the amount in the recipe. I'll also include a recipe for a strawberry version of this and the Bailey's version too. So that's them all done now. So I'm just going to get my cream cheese and we're going to use about half of this on this layer. I use a ice cream scoop. I find it the easiest just to spread it out because the biscuits can be kind of soft. I'm going to spread it out now. That's perfect. Okay, so we're going to put the next layer of sponge fingers on top. And we're going to add our coffee to the top of these as well. And that's the last one. So we're going to get the rest of our cream cheese on top. I'm going to spread it out. Great. Lovely. Okay, so next I'm just going to sieve over a little sprinkle of cocoa. Not too much. I know some people don't like it, but it does balance the sweetness in the tiramisu. And to finish off, I've got a little bit of dark chocolate here. And I'm going to grate some of that over as well. You could use milk chocolate either if you wanted a little bit sweeter. And there you have it, folks. That is my 10-minute tiramisu. So easy and delicious. I'm going to put it in the fridge now and chill it overnight. Cover it in cling wrap. Great, let's get it into the fridge now. My tiramisu is ready. Let's take off the cling wrap. And there you have it, folks. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? So we're going to cut some now, a little slice, so you can see what it's like. This can be the tricky part, trying to get it out and get it onto a plate. I like to serve it with fresh cream. And there you have it. Beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just enough coffee in those sponge fingers as well. And that's it everyone, my 10-minute tiramisu. This is definitely one for you all to try. I'll also include the recipe, as I said, for the strawberry and the Bailey's tiramisu in the comments down below, so go check them out as well. I really hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone. See you soon.